This is the Kid House Tour video. This is the front door to Kid. This is the entrance area of Kid. This is the door area. Now we're going into the kitchen area. This is where some food storage is, pots, pans, fridges, and other appliances that members can use. This is the outdoor area where people like to come and study. This is another shot of the dining area. These are the stairs to the basement. As you can see, there is a free washer and a free dryer. This is some storage closets. Here is some more storage space. These are 6 parking spaces that are available at Kid. These are the stairs to the upstairs. This is an example bathroom. There's also a shower. This is an example bedroom. A double bedroom example. This is the final wing of Kid and then the end of the house.